Hey everyone, welcome to Stitching Me Pretty. Today I'm going to be making a t-shirt extender. If your t-shirts, you have t-shirts that are not long enough for you, well, I'm going to show you how to make a extender with elastic. You just wear it under whatever t-shirt you want. So first of all, I have my material already cut and I'm going to sew it down the side. Adjust this camera so you can get an idea. So I'm actually sewing down one side. Show you back stitch it. These are really simple to make. You can make them on all different colors. I'm planning on making quite a bit. As you can see, I got it sewed down one side. So it's actually the shape of a skirt now. Now I'm going to take the bottom half and sew it, hem it, put a hem in it. I'd say about an inch hem that I'm going to put on it. Making this black one because it's universal. Actually goes with quite a bit of colors of t-shirts that I have. I have a dark purple one, I have a gray one, and green one. So it would actually look really good underneath any of the t-shirts that I do have. I'll give you a look at it here in just 1 minute. As you can see, this is the bottom. I actually put a hem all the way around it. Now I'm going to do the elastic part of it, where the elastic's going to be going. I'm going to put another hem, but leave it thick enough to run the elastic through. Leave it opening. I actually put my elastic on a safety pin and thread it through my material really easy. So I'm going to take and do this end the same way, but like I said, leave a little opening. I try to save all of my material, that way if I need scrap material, I got it. And another thing, if you have any old shirts or your husband that you don't like or nothing, you can actually cut the top part off, use the bottom part, and make one of these t-shirt extenders. actually got a thinner piece of elastic to run through this, which doesn't matter because the waistline is going to be covered over by my t-shirt anyway. Like I said, I left a little opening. I'm going to take and thread the piece of elastic through it. These are so simple and easy to make. You can actually make one with every color t-shirt that you have. You have a t-shirt extender to go over or under all your short t-shirts, and I think it looks cute too, so I have it to the end of it. Now I'm just going to sew these two pieces together. The elastic sewed together. Now I'm just going to clip it. Now I'm going to sew the little opening shot that I had left open to thread the elastic through. Now I'm going to turn it right side out. There you have it. I have a t-shirt extender. Actually, it looks like a little skirt. You can basically wear it for a skirt also. But if you like my videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share my videos. Until next time, take care.